Right, I've got here a 5-pin discus padlock. This come from a store called Wilkinson's. It's one of their own brands. It's not a very good padlock, to be honest. It's quite strong, quite sturdy, but fairly easy to pick, this one. So we're going to give it a go. What we're going to do is SPP this one, single pin pick. Put in the tension wrench. And there we go. Quite easy. No security pins in that one. Quite high tolerance in the pins. But no security pins. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll be posting a few more videos on YouTube soon. Maybe do some profile cylinders, SPP, security pins. So keep watching. Thanks.